guys! Hey guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay. Welcome to today's swatch video. I know it's not eyeshadow palettes, but I've had so many requests on my Instagram to do more swatches of my Juvia's Place highlighters. So these are all the Juvia's Place highlighters that I own, and as far as I'm aware, these are all that they have released to date. So we have the Tribes Volume 1, 2, and 3. We have the Nubian loose highlighters, the Royalty loose highlighters, and the Heroine Glow 1 and 2. So I'm going to be swatching all of these for you today. I have already done swatch videos of all of these highlighters on my YouTube channel, but I had a few complaints on both the first version and the second version of those videos that I didn't swatch them properly. I did really try in the second video to swatch them properly, but obviously I still didn't do it right. So maybe I'll be third time lucky and I will actually swatch these highlighters properly. I think the complaints were quite legit actually. I didn't swatch them like next to each other so you could like compare the colors next to each other. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the Heroine on my arm. Then I'm gonna go in with the Tribe Volumes 1, 2, and 3 on my arm. Then I'm gonna go in with the Nubian and the Royalty. So if you guys wanna see all my Juvia's Place highlighters swatched on my arm, then just keep on watching. Well, that's it for today's video, you guys. Hopefully I'm third time lucky. If this swatch video isn't good enough, then I give up. I'm just kidding. Hopefully this video gives you guys the swatches that you're looking for in order to help you make your purchase decision to know which highlighter would best suit your skin tone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!